Hello friends, welcome back to Nowhere Geometrics JS Learning channel. So today we are going to see how we can download the satellite data from ISRO's Indian web portal, which is called Bhuvan, which is a portal on which all the data sets of Indian satellites are available free of cost, whether it is satellite image or whether it is digital elevation data. So all these data are available, and also some thematic data or thematic maps also are available for the download. So let us see how to download the data from Bhuvan portal. So I have open the browser, and I will just search in the Google Bhuvan. So immediately it will show you the website bhuvan.nrsc, National Remote Sensing Center. It is in Hyderabad.gov.in. So this is the website. In that we are we will open Open Data Archive, which is the link directly to download the data. So before downloading, we must subscribe, or we first have to open the account so we can log in from here. If you want to explore this without login, you can explore, but you cannot download. Say suppose I want to see any data, suppose list 3 satellite image data, so I can visualize, but I can zoom in, zoom out from here, mouse scroll button. So see, so data, so these are the tiles, so you can start selecting the tiles, but when I click on download, it will not download because it will ask you to log in first. So first will see how to log in into our account. Then I will go to Open Data Archive. I will click on login. Now I am having my account, so that's why it is showing my saved credentials here, username and password. But if you are not having the account here, so you will click on new user, and you will want to fill all this information, and then you have to submit it. Then you will get an email. So email should be correctly typed over here, and in that email we have to click a link, by clicking on which your account will get activated, and then you can simply click on login, and you can also set the username and password as well. So this I will not go into much detail because you can do with it. So these are the simpler things. So I will directly log into my already having account with this Google portal. So my credentials are already saved, so that's why they are auto filled here, and just I will click on login. So login is successful. I can close this window. So see here, our username appears here, and logout button is here, and rest of the options are open to us to explore. Now suppose you want to download any data, so there are some methods to define your area. Like from here you can type the city name or area name. Suppose I will click here, I will search here Pune. So you have to write that region name and just click on this icon, search. So all these options are there, anyone you can take that is relevant to your findings of the area. So see, Pune city is zoomed here. So this way also you can define this which area you want to download the data. Then from here you can change which type of data you want to download, whether you want to download list 3 satellite imagery. So now these data sets you must know before downloading as per your interest of the study. So I will just quickly go through this particular data set. So mostly this particular data set are being downloaded and used for the various analysis, which is a ResourceSat satellite list 3 satellite imagery. So this is the satellite data. I have clicked here, which is 24 meter spatial resolution pixel satellite imagery data. So this is better than Landsat 1, Landsat having 30 meter spatial resolution. So our Indian satellite having better spatial resolution, which is 24 meter. So that's why only these particular data sets are preferred for the land use studies. So from here you can see, you can choose the data which we want to download, and then here are some technical informations about this satellite. This 3 data is given. So there is a brochure, ResourceSat list 3 brochure is there, the handbook is there, data users handbook, and author rectification process PDF is also there. So all these are documents you can simply click and download. So I have clicked, immediately I will get this particular PDF downloaded with link, and I can go through. Now next is, so this is okay, we can type the name and we can define the area, but what if you want to download for specific extent of latitude and longitude? Or suppose I will manually put here 73 degree east, and this is my minimum longitude, vertical longitude, and maximum suppose 75 degree east longitude, and suppose 18 degree north and 20 degree north latitudes. So this is minimum latitude, value should be less, and this is maximum latitude. Then select. So after select, the portal will zoom of this particular extent and will show how much tiles of images are covering this particular region. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8, 64 images are being covered in this particular region. So it is not necessary that you have such enormous region which is your area of interest, but maybe 1 or 2 images also can make your area. It's totally depends which studies you are undertaking. So such way I can define my study area. Then also there is an option to search with the above topo sheet number or map sheet number. So for that you must know which number belongs to your study area. So here it is example given F43A. Suppose I type here F43A, and I will just click on enter. So why these are there? Because we have selected this bounding box. I will just clear it from here. You can clear. will go back because it is showing all those imagery continuously. So I will again take this thing. Then see, now next option is map shift. I will simply F14A. Now software will show whatever this sheet number satellite imagery are there to be downloaded, because these particular satellite image are available from 2008 or from the year 2008 till 2018, so that is it is covering up almost 10 years. And each tiles will have all these period satellite imagery, so that's why this list is very longer. So I will simply go to tiles next, which is the next option, tiles. So tiles means what? If you know your study area and you can define from this particular view which is given over here, so you can simply manually click the tiles from the tiles option. So after clicking on start, you'll just have to select any tile, and if there are multiple tiles, keep pressing shift button. We have to continuously press until we are selecting the tiles. Suppose I want to download these 4 patches of the satellite data. So what I will do, I have selected now. I'll just click on next. So for those 4 patches or tiles, all these list of images are available right from 2009 till 2018. So suppose I want to download recent, that is 2018 data. I will just browse to 2018 image. So it is here. So it will show its topo sheet number, its location, Natron, its date of the acquisition, 23 January 2018. Metadata is also available. You can click and go through the data, metadata, like it is the information given that what is the file format, what is the resolution of the satellite image and all. And next I can view that which patch particularly I am going to download from this particular option. So we are looking at 4 images, so which one is this? So it can be seen from here, view option. So this is there. So it is clear. This is also important. If you view it and there are some errors, you can go for another image, like suppose 2017, 16, whatever. So it is clear image, so I can click on download. So to download, just click on download. So it takes some time sometimes. I will just see from downloads if there is any activity in the downloads. There is no only downloaded files. So what I will do, I will again click on that. So it is saying you have either already downloaded or saved in this backlog. So I already click on that, so that's why this error may be there. So I will download for this particular patch. I will download 2017 image. So there was some error, so that's why I stopped it. So now suppose I want to download this particular tile, so I will simply click on download. But keep in mind we should have login to our account. So if download doesn't start, so you can click here, so that it will ask us path on which you want to save the images. So I will do simply name my desktop folder. In that I will give it name list3, and this is the by default name. I will not change that, and say save. So see, satellite image has been saved, and it has saved because the memory of it hardly 4 to 5 MB. So I'll just click here and click on show in folder. So this is a zip folder which we have to extract by right click and extract to, and then you can see here, so these are the 4 bands actually of list3 satellite data. So they are red, green, blue, green, red and infrared. So these 4 bands are there. So these other files are some supportive and other information files are there. So such way you can download. And how this image can be prepared, I have one video in our YouTube channel, Novagematics. Like the LaserTag tool is there to prepare the image out of this 4 images. You can go through that also. So this way we can download satellite data. So it was list3 satellite image. If I want to download more, second page, again go to 2018. Now because first image I have downloaded for 2018, next also I will download for the same. So I will first read. So I will download this particular patch. It is highlighted with the black color here also, and it is thumbnail view showing the exact topography and things available in this image. And simply click on download. Save. Close. Then suppose next image 2018 here. So this is this patch now. It is also clear image. I will go further and directly click on download. Save. And last one. So this image is also clear, so I will take it down. So this way we can download satellite data, and especially this satellite data. So then, suppose I want to download all the periods value, satellite image, but see there are some limitations. You can download only 20 tiles in a day, and the rest of the images we can save others in the backlog. Like if you want to select some imagery and put them in a save to backlog folder, so rest of the images, so these images can be saved in a backlog, and then after minimum 1 day passes, so these images can be again downloaded with the help of your account. So suppose I want to now download the DM, digital elevation data. I will simply click on new selection, and I will go to here subcategory and simply take Cartosat, because Cartosat allows us to, Cartosat is a satellite elevation, digital elevation data. So in that also there are some versions. So this was very first version, and this is advanced one. So all version, if I take, it will show all the versions. Suppose I want to take a recent one, I will click on calculate version. So this is also, its original spatial resolution is say 1 meter, but it is available for download, at 30 meter pixel value, which is spatial resolution of it. So this is the digital elevation data which can be used for a variety of applications, like to delineate the watersheds, to extract the contours, to extract the slope, aspect, hillshade, like this. So it's so this database Cartosat related information can be downloaded from here, as we have seen in these satellite satellite. Suppose I want to download for any particular area which I know, so that I can directly go to tiles. Rest of the option I already told you. So interactive drawing is to directly, so last option I will going to show you. Interactive drawing, I click on start. You can simply digitize directly. Suppose this particular patches are covering my region, study region. Or again, suppose I clear, stop. Again I will to make changes. So simply this way automatically the patches or tiles of satellite data will be selected. I will click on next, and so since this is a digital elevation data and we have already selected only third version, latest version of the Cartosat data, so that's why only 6 tiles are available to be downloaded. So each one can be viewed here like this, and metadata is also there. You can see the details of the satellite and launch vehicles like this. So then I can simply click on download. So I will prepare a folder, Cartosat, and I will click on that and simply click on save. So it will also get downloaded within a minute, since it is hardly 10-12 MB data. So such way we can download digital elevation data also on this particular web portal. So this has downloaded. The same way we can extract it, like I have shown you in case of this video. So since this is a digital elevation data which is a single band satellite data, that's why it is a black and white, and how we can use, I have shown in one of my video on media analysis in ArcGIS, so on this particular channel itself, so you can go through that. So this way data can be downloaded. So rest of the data are also available, like if you how to work on the hyperspectral imagery. So IMS satellite is there, IMS 1. So the data is available. Ocean, if anyone wants to work on ocean, so ocean data is available. And also the AWIPS. AWIPS are also the satellite data, as we have seen list 3, but its spatial resolution is poor, like 56 meter pixel is there. So if you want to work on the larger scale, like Maharashtra, whole India, so at that time we can prefer this particular data. So that's why different types of spatial resolution imaging are being designed for variety of applications. So such way data can be downloaded from one portal. So thank you so much, friends. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe also. Thank you so much.